Good morning, students. Till now, in this lesson, The Treasure Within, we have learned that Hafiz Contractor was not very good in studies during his schooling, but he was very fond of playing. He was very much interested in playing. That's all. That was his motto of his life. Once his principal, as I told you, he called him and told him that his mother was struggling hard to teach him, to make him a successful person, and he had to follow her ambitions. Then he did not look back. It was such a word. It was a heart-touching word for him that he did not look back. Apart from it, he looked forward. He was looking forward for a job. He was looking forward for higher studies. He went. Earlier he joined the college by influence, मतलब किसी की अप्रोच से उसको एडमिशन मिला. But when he was working at his sister's husband's office, who was an architect, there he made him understand to take admission in an architect college, and he did not look back from behind. From there was no looking back after that. He put in all his efforts. Actually, all this skill came from his childhood games. There was one friend of him named Behram Divecha who played with him, and they had the competitions between them for designing forts. Even just to think कि बच्चे मिलकर फोर्ट डिज़ाइन कर रहे थे. फोर्ट्स और क्या बनाते थे वो? गन्स, ammunitions, and they had made different designs for all these things, and they were trying to prove themselves superior. Then he told Bella Raja that he was very bad at languages, but he could see everything in section. Section मतलब आपको कोई चीज़ सरफेस से कैसी नज़र आएगी. That imagination he had very excellently. Okay. So he said that the contention that giftedness and learning disabilities go hand in hand. बेला ने पूछा. So actually it is not that those who are scoring very well during school, they will perform extraordinarily in their higher life, in their higher education and in their career. It is not always true. Keep in mind that it is not always true that those who are doing extraordinarily during the school will always secure a high position in career and life, because everything after you come out from your school, after 12th, your career starts, and how do you act in your career will take you to the path of success. Now we have to start from page number 31. That is because Bella asked him again. That is because the personality and skills were there. You were able to find expression in a manner you were comfortable with, and you defied every rule so that nobody would stop you from doing what you needed to do. Bella asked him, ये आपकी पर्सनालिटी थी या स्किल्स थी, वो तो थी आप में, बट देयर वाज you defied every rule so that nobody would stop you from doing what you needed to do. उसने कहा कि आपने जो कंफर्टेबल जिस फील्ड में थे उसमें काम किया, आपने उसमें आगे बढ़े. So there was nobody to stop you from there. Okay? Hafiz replied, I was more interested in other things. For example, while in class it started raining outside, I would think of the flowing water and how to build a dam to block it. Just imagine, when the class was going on and it started raining suddenly, Hafiz started thinking how to stop rainwater and build a bridge. Just think, in his childhood he used his imagination this way. Then I would think of the flowing water and how to build a dam to block it. I would be thinking about the flow of water within the dam and how much of water the dam would be able to hold. That was my interest for the day. और मैं पूरे टाइम इसी में इंटरेस्टेड रहता था. He would be thinking about the flow of water within the dam, and he used to think that how much water it would hold within it. Just imagine the thinking of a child, the imagination of a child, that how much the flow of rainwater, building of dam, and how much water the dam would hold. Okay? And that was his interest of the day. और पूरे टाइम फिर वो वही सोचा करता था. When students lost a button while playing or fighting, they would come running to me and I would cut a button for them from chalk using a blade. Just think how skillful he was. Discipline in the school was very important and no student could afford to have a button missing. The student would get passed to dinner with a full neat uniform, and after that it did not matter. So actually he was living in a boarding school. So when a student lost a button while playing or fighting, he used to make a button out of a chalk. Just think how skillful is the cutting of a chalk and making a button out of it. बटन बनाना आसान काम नहीं है किसी चौक के टुकड़े से. And he would do it very skillfully. And the most important part in his school was discipline. Discipline played an most important role in his school. So when they had to go to the mess or the evening dinner, everyone had to be very careful about the dress, the uniform. But after once it got over, when they reached to their rooms, it did not matter. तब सब कुछ फिर से वैसा ही सिस्टम हो जाता था. आफ्टर दैट इट डिड नॉट मैटर का मतलब ये है कि उसके बाद कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि आपने क्या पहना था, क्या यूनिफॉर्म है. मीन्स व्हेन वंस यू हैव एंटर्ड योर रूम, you are free to do the job. Bella asked him once again, coming to the present, how do you decide as to what kind of structure you want to give a client? You must know the meaning of client. अब हम बेला ने पूछा कि अब हम आज की बात करें. Then how do you decide as to what kind of structure you want to give a client? आप कैसे डिसाइड करते हैं कि किसी क्लाइंट का मतलब है अ पर्सन और ए कस्टमर हु कम्स टू हिम टू गिव द ऑर्डर फॉर द डिज़ाइन ऑफ हिज हाउस और फॉर एनी पर्पस. कोई घर बनाने का कोई पर्पस है या कोई दूसरा कोई मोटो है, कोई दूसरा स्ट्रक्चर बनवाना है, तो वही पूछ रहा है. क्लाइंट मतलब है कि कोई पर्सन जो हमारे पास अपने किसी पर्पस से आता है. जैसे हम किसी शॉप पर गए, हमने कुछ ठीक करवाना है, तो हम उसके लिए क्लाइंट हैं. ओके, इफ आई एम गोइंग टू एनी शॉप टू गेट एनी रिपेयरिंग और टू परचेज एनीथिंग, so these I will be the client for the shopkeeper. So he was asked that how did he decide that what kind of things are required for the particular person means the client who had come to him. He replied, I look at the client's face. सबसे पहला क्या है? फेस रीडिंग. His clothes, उसके कपड़े. अरे कपड़े, चेहरे से तो पूरी पर्सनैलिटी पता पड़ जाती है. The way he talks and pronounces, the way he eats, and I would know that what his taste would be like. कितना परफेक्ट स्टडी है उसका. Look, I can relate to people in a way that would be comfortable. I sketch with spontaneously on a paper on the spot. That paper I give to my people in the office. क्या करता हूँ मैं? कुछ नहीं. सबसे पहले मैं क्लाइंट का फेस देखता हूँ, जो पर्सन मेरे पास आता है अपने लिए कुछ बनवाने, कुछ अपने घर का डिज़ाइन या कोई भी बड़े प्लांट का, बड़ी बिल्डिंग का डिज़ाइन बनवाने आता है. अपने क्लाइंट का मैं पहले चेहरा देखता हूँ. आई डू द फेस रीडिंग. देन आई वॉच हिज क्लोथ्स. कपड़े देखता हूँ कि उसका बैठने का, खाने का, बोलने का, प्रोनाउंसिएशन का तरीका. प्रोनाउंसिएशन मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस. आई स्केच वेरी स्पॉन्टेनियसली ऑन अ पेपर. अब जब उससे बात हो जाती है क्लाइंट से, मैंने पूरा ध्यान दे दिया, उसकी फेस रीडिंग कर ली, कपड़े देख लिए, उसका जेस्चर देख लिया, उसका वे ऑफ स्पीकिंग, प्रोनाउंसिएशन सब देख लिया, तब मुझे पता पड़ जाता है इसका इंटरेस्ट किस तरह का होगा. देन आई ड्रॉ अ स्केच वेरी स्पॉन्टेनियसली एट द वेरी मोमेंट. मुझे अंदाज़ा पड़ जाता है मुझे इस पर्सन को किस तरह का डिज़ाइन बनाकर देना है. देन I give that paper to the people who are working in my office. Okay? And they do the rest. Bella, you do it instinctively. बेला ने पूछा, आप उसी समय ये सब कुछ कर लेते, उसी समय ड्राइंग बना लेते. Hafiz said, call it instinct, call it arithmetic, whatever. It comes to me like mathematics. Putting design, construction, psychology and sociology, the most important thing, together and making a sketch from all that is mathematics. Just imagine वो सब्जेक्ट जिससे वो सबसे ज़्यादा चिढ़ता था, नफरत करता था, आज उसी में वो सबसे ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल है. हाँ, इंस्टिंक्ट कह सकते हो. इंस्टिंक्ट का मतलब जो वाइब्स हमारे मन में किसी पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट पर आती है, दैट वेरी मोमेंट, वही हमारे लिए इंस्टिंक्ट कहलाती है, इंस्टिंक्ट बन जाती है. उसने कहा चाहे आप इंस्टिंक्ट कह लो, चाहे मैथमेटिक्स कह लो, वट एवर. मेरे पास ये मैथमेटिक्स है, जैसे कि मैं डिज़ाइन, पुटिंग डिज़ाइन, कंस्ट्रक्शन, साइकोलॉजी, उस पर्सन की जो थॉट प्रोसेस है वो, and mathematics, all are combined together to make a structure. That was the best answer. Here we almost come to a full circle where Mr. Contractor has derived his own interpretation of mathematics. Taking it from a subject he hated a subject and now he loves dealing with. Just imagine. हमारे पास एक पूरा सर्किल आ गया मिस्टर हफीज़ कॉन्ट्रैक्टर के बारे में. जैसे उन्होंने मैथमेटिक्स का अपना एक इंटरप्रिटेशन दिया. ही हैड गिवन द इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ मैथ्स फॉर हिमसेल्फ. लाइक ही हेटेड द सब्जेक्ट द मोस्ट इन हिज स्कूलिंग. नाउ ही लव्स टू डील विद द सब्जेक्ट बिकॉज पुटिंग डिज़ाइन, साइकोलॉजी, living standard, construction, everything into mathematics, and now at last this comes to his designs, to his clients. He reaches very successfully to his clients. So it is called the basic instinct. वो तुरंत समझ जाता है कि मेरे क्लाइंट को किस तरह का डिज़ाइन चाहिए when he gives a first look at his client.